Howdy y'all, welcome to Waffle House, a pride and joy and jewel of the South. Where at 2 o'clock in the morning when you're hankering for that bacon and you're hungover, it is the number one place to go. And when it comes to hash brown bowls, it's called scattered well if you actually want them crispy. Because if they're not scattered well, it's just a bunch of potato pieces. So make sure that they are crunchy, so tell your waitress. Everything else is cooked pretty dang well. I mean, they do a good job training their folks. There's all your beverage prices. You know, they don't gouge you. That's another reason why people love them so much. There we go. There's my favorite page. Yes, they have more bowls, but I love the waffles. Gotta love the sandwiches. And usually I get the sausage, egg, and cheese strip bowl, which I'll get into later. Even the sides, they're not that bad if you want to add extra stuff to it. The kids, they got fair prices. And of course, the number one favorite, the All-Star. Go for the grits instead, because they cream up with your eggs quite nicely. I love your fake cream pie, your chocolate milk, and your tomato juice. Got your syrups galore and all the standard condiments that bring back so many memories.
And do y'all need hot sauce or ketchup?
Gravy?
Gravy.
57 cents.
This one?
No, 57.
Oh,
Actually, yeah, I'm thinking about the Tabasco.
Tabasco.
Yeah.
And let me get that gravy for you, okay?
The only way a person should ever eat grits, covered in eggs, cheese, and sausage, and a dash of hot sauce. Make sure that the grits are fresh and hot. I always ask them, are they like icebergs? Because if they're not like icebergs, if they're hot enough to melt cheese, it'll be heaven.
Yes, sir.
The only perfection you can ever get. Hot bowl of warm food, some sausage gravy to eat with your extra crispy waffle. That's what they call extra crispy. Butter is unnecessary. I got gravy. Yes, the looks on my face are genuine. Everyone should have this face when eating crispy waffles and sausage gravy. I said it, sausage gravy, y'all. It's fresh made every day. I used to work at Waffle House, so I would know. This is the cost for 2 people. I think we just had water. Because of YouTube, I couldn't record when the boombox was playing, but they had country music going, and they still support their community like nobody else.